Swiss man left gasping in Pattaya fire, life saved by an alert neighbor as his condo is gutted. Firefighters and police seek to interview the Swiss man about the blaze at his condo in Pattaya at 7:30 a.m. this morning. He is currently at a local hospital and expected to make a full recovery. An alert neighbor may have saved the life of an elderly Swiss man in Pattaya early this morning when she saw smoke coming out from under his condo door at a popular condominium complex in the resort city. The condo of a partially disabled Swiss man was gutted early this morning in a fire in Pattaya. The incident occurred at 7:30 a.m. at the Majestic condo building on Swawat Bunkan Chainaram. Police, the Pattaya City Fire Department and disaster relief volunteers from the Saong Borabun Foundation with public officials attended at the scene following distress calls from concerned neighbors at the condominium complex. Found by emergency response team of police, volunteers and firefighters who rushed to the scene. The Swiss man was 75-year-old Mr. Albert Winthrop. Neighbors say that he walks with the assistance of a cane. He was found by the emergency response team led by Police General Nathawat Plaanchit of the Pattaya City Police Station. The man was discovered collapsed near the exit to the condominium, which is on the third floor of the building. Mr. Winthrop was taken to a local hospital where he was treated for smoke inhalation. Condominium gutted by the fire, which took firefighters 15 minutes to subdue at the scene. The condominium was very badly damaged, and after their arrival, it took firefighters 15 minutes to bring the conflagration under control. The prompt action by neighbors may have saved the foreigner's life and also prevented a bigger emergency. The alarm was raised by one eagle-eyed tenant of the building who spotted the smoke coming from underneath her neighbor's door. Investigation into blaze underway. Firefighters and police have now turned their attention to investigating the cause of the blaze. As the Swiss man was the only occupant of the room, they are awaiting a statement for him to further their inquiries. Medics at the hospital where the man was taken to are confident that he will make a full recovery from the condition brought on by smoke. Further reading. Paranoid Swiss man died in Pattaya home fire on Thursday from prolonged smoke inhalation. Appalling New Year's start in Pattaya as it just engaged UK man's life ends in a split-second fireworks explosion. Norwegian dies from smoke inhalation after fire erupts at 16th-story Pattaya condo building.